Good Tuesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather on April the 22nd. My name is Noah McGalliard, and we're back here with another evening weather blog for what's in store for the rest of this week. But we're going to keep the main focus really on Wednesday and go over the 6 day forecast. But we're going to be really talking about tomorrow's forecast as we do have a complex overall setup this week. Very makes for a very difficult forecast in a way, but what you can see here on this is a mixture of some raw model data and just us putting on here breaking down what we're seeing with this as we go throughout the day for Wednesday. We're going to see a weakening MCS, which will spin off of an MCV or a mesoscale convective vortex. And that's going to help encourage some lift, which that will move into a very unstable, moisture-rich environment over southwest Arkansas Wednesday afternoon. Expect numerous showers and storms and possibly exceeding that 60% chance of coverage across the area, especially where that MCV is able to enhance that lift at. While several areas will see much needed rain, this is a concern that we have of too much too quick, could lead to some localized flash flooding. We could see some spots of 2 to 4 inches of rain in a few hours. In just a few hours. Isolated strong storms may be a possibility as well with this, some gusty winds, some small hail, but flooding looks like the main major threat. This is really a mesoscale driven event that models can easily underestimate, so just stay weather aware and just continue to monitor the page for more updates as we go throughout the day tomorrow, just due to the fact that with it being mesoscale, model data, usually sometimes things can change real quickly. You can never underestimate these sort of setups in terms of just bringing you heavy rainfall or stuff of that nature. But once again, we're going to watch it closely. We're going to continue to keep an eye on that. And if we take a look at rain chances for tomorrow, here's our current thoughts for tomorrow's rain chances. These rain chances really pick up in the afternoon and evening time frame, but really being highest across the far southern portions of the coverage area from DeQueen, Nashville, Hope over to Prescott, Camden, El Magnolia, Ashdown, Texarkana, with a 60% chance of rain, then 50% chance of rain for Glenwood, Arkadelphia, Fordyce, over to about the Derricks area and southern Polk County. Further north, you get up to 40% for the Mena, Mount Ida, Hot Springs, and around 30% for the Sheridan areas there as well. Once again, we're going to continue to monitor that closely, and let's show you real quickly what Futurecast is showing with this. We'll show the rest of tonight, and remember, model guidance isn't everything. It's just one of the many tools that we use to build a forecast. Remember that, so things can easily change between now and tomorrow. Just remember, this helps us get a general good idea on what could occur as we go throughout tomorrow. Taking a look at this, you can see throughout the overnight time frame, not a whole lot expected. We're still going to see some isolated showers. We are seeing some across the area, but really you can see off over here in northeast Texas that you have this decaying MCV over here, and this will start to make its way towards us and help us see some rain chances really starting to increase with that lift as we go into the afternoon, but really start to pick up that late afternoon and into the evening time frame there. And then rain chances continue. Once again, remember, this isn't just a one-day thing. We're in an active period, and we will have to watch for some more rain chances as we go into the Thursday time frame. As you can see here, Thursday afternoon, you're talking maybe even more widespread showers and some thunderstorms throughout the Thursday afternoon time frame. This model only goes to 7 p.m. there currently. With that being said, we'll take a look, though, at the NAM and show you just a little further out into the future. Actually, we won't, because that model has just ran. So once again, though, let's take a look at the 6-day forecast and show you what's in store for the rest of this week. So once again, we have that yellow highlighted area over the Wednesday day there, mainly for that chance of a few strong storms, some heavy rainfall, 60% chance in the evening afternoon time frame for some thunderstorms. Once again, a few peaks of sun will be possible throughout this week, with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s across the area. Overnight lows in the mid 60s or in the 60s there across the area on Wednesday, and that trend continues through Thursday and Friday with 60 to 40% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. High is going to be in the lower to mid 80s on these days here, with overnight lows in the mid 60s there across the area. Then on Saturday, scattered chance of some thunderstorms, 30% chance of some showers and storms right now, mainly in the afternoon, evening time frame. Really almost like a summer type setup. You got these pop-up showers and storms that could occur that sit over areas for long periods of time, don't really move much. So not while some areas may not get rain, a lot like today, some areas, if you get under those thunderstorms, you'll be able to see some showers and storms, and you'll probably see some heavy rainfall potentially there as well in some of those areas. But once again, on Saturday, highs going to be in the lower to mid 80s, overnight lows in the mid 60s there. Then as we go into Sunday and Monday of next week, mostly cloudy skies on Sunday, 20% chance of some afternoon showers and storms, highs in the lower to mid 80s, overnight lows in the mid 60s with mostly cloudy skies. Then on Monday, rain chances start to decrease some as that system finally gets pushed a little further with a cold front that may try to move through, with highs being in the lower 80s and overnight lows in the mid to upper 60s with the 10% chance of rain, partly cloudy skies on Monday. And as always, we will continue to watch that closely. That'll bring us to the end of today's quick little outlook here. Once again, we want to say big thanks to all of our sponsors: Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper in Murfreesboro, Southern Dumpster Rentals, Landmark Insurance Agency, Patterson's Credit Union, Tan Energy and Nutrition, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Make sure to check them out over on the social media platforms, as well as make sure to check us out here on YouTube. If you like what you see, hit that like, comment if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button. And as always, make sure to check us out over on Facebook and over on Instagram and TikTok. We have a lot of content on all of those platforms. And as always, thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Have a good rest of your Tuesday. See you back here tomorrow evening with another look at what's in store for the rest of this week.